Dear student, today we learn or study on Model 3. Model 3 is partial differential equation. So, partial differential equation contains syllabus, formulation of partial differential equation by elimination of arbitrary constant or arbitrary function, solution of non-homogeneous partial differential equation by direct integration, solution of homogeneous partial differential equation involving derivative with respect to one independent variable, solution of Lagrange linear partial differential equation, derivation of one-dimensional heat and wave equation, and their solution by variable separable method. So this is a syllabus. So let us start the syllabus. So introduction. Partial differential equations are used to model this type of the function with many factors very precisely. Suppose if we want to deal with the temperature vary with according to time, that is how likely the temperature vary with respect to time. We take derivative with respect to time by keeping other parameter as a constant. Similarly, if we want to temperature with respect to altitude, we take derivative with respect to altitude by keeping time as a constant. Partial differential equations are the most beautiful equation in mathematics. They are the core topic in multivariable calculus. They are used to describe the evaluation of gases in fluid dynamics, formation of glaciers, describing the nature of quantum mechanics, and so on. So definition. The definition of partial differential equation: and differential equation involving one or more partial derivative with respect to two or more than one variable is called partial differential equation. Means a differential equation contain one or partial derivative with respect to one or more than one variable. It depend. For example, if z is a function of two independent variable in x and y, that is example x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y equal to x square plus y square. So it is a differential equation contain two partial differential derivative and two variable x and y. So if the differential equation contain one or more partial derivative and more than one variable, it is called as partial differential equation. So you already know order of partial differential equation, degree of the partial differential equation, and homogeneous and non-homogeneous. In partial differential, each term contain either the dependent variable or its partial derivative. The partial differential equation is said to be homogeneous, otherwise it is non-homogeneous differential equation. So homogeneous means PDE means partial differential equation. Each term contain either the dependent variable or its partial derivative. The partial differential equation is said to be homogeneous. So that is, otherwise it is non-homogeneous. For example, dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y equal to 0. Homogeneous partial differential equation, first order, first degree. So here z depend on only x variable, z depend on only y variable, so it is homogeneous. So second example is dou square z by dou x dou y equal to x into y. Non-homogeneous partial differential equation of order 2 degree 1. Here z depend on two variable, so it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. It is a basic. So first concept of the syllabus is formation of PDE, that is partial differential equation, by eliminating the arbitrary constant and arbitrary function. So elementary arbitrary constant. Consider the relation of the form f of y z a b equal to 0, where z is a function of two independent variable x and y and arbitrary constant a b. Differentiate z partially with respect to x and y. Eliminate arbitrary constant a and b from the partial differential equation. So it is a elementary arbitrary constant. Note, if the number of arbitrary constant less than number of independent variable, then PDE required first order derivative. If the number of arbitrary constant greater than number of independent variable, then PDE required second and higher order derivative. So it is depending on the example. So let us we use dou z by dou x as a p, dou z by dou y as a q, dou square z by dou x square as a r, dou square z divided by dou x dou y as a s, dou square z divided by dou y square is equal to t. So it is a arbitrary function, means we have to eliminate a and b by differentiating z with respect to x and y. arbitrary elimination of arbitrary constant. So let us solve the example.